Yo, what's up guys? Today's November 13, 2025. Today's Friday, last day of the week. So let's head on the trade recap. So as you can see, this is the higher time frame for both NQ and ES. So as you can see, we have been in a sell model for the practically second half of the week. We have been selling. As you can see, we have the SMT at the top. We have the intermediate fair value gap getting rejected off with the distribution to the key level. So as you can see, we reached the key level that end the runner from the sell model. So as you can see, ES did not take that low, so that's the flip. I mean, we hit this key level, and now what's happening, we are seeing now that buyers are holding here and ES is not able to take that low. So that's the first thing I want to see in a reversal, in a higher time frame reversal. The SMT get put in a higher time frame PRA. So you can see we put at that SMT just at market open, as you can see here. I mean, pre-market. So what did happen? As you can see, market open, manipulate this pre-market sell stops, we stops. So we got that V-shaped recovery. This is the first entry you may take in here. I mean, I was looking to take, but you can see that she was fucking fast, and that's like a 90-point stop at 9,435. I mean, that's impressive. We delivered, like, you can see, it's fucking ridiculous. So I mean, you could expect that, but that's so fucking fast. So I mean, let's say I missed that opportunity in here. So you go to the higher time frame and you can see that we are just going to grab all this low resistance liquidity in here, all these hikes, and in overall this accumulation hike. So you can see we ended up getting this accumulation in here inside a 4 hour, I think it was. Then we got the stop rate in here being this SMT in here. As you can see, ES took those lows and Q didn't, so that made the move up. Then we got no retrace until here. That's where I took my entry. As you can see, I mean, we are practically full to take all the targets. If you look at the 4 hour, we are inside the main target, which is this 4 hour. As if you look closely in here, I think you had this tiny 1 hour fair value gap, and at the moment, if you look in here, NQ was stronger today, so ES was below all the liquid in here. So if you look in here, ES had this string hike there, then we just made that failure swing in here, and also this failure swing in here, and also this failure swing in here, and we made that retrace into the 15-minute fair value gap in here. So as you can see here, ES is practically, if you don't look at NQ, ES is, I mean, these are perfect trade. We made in your neuro liquid in here plus the main target, you can say, and we got that retrace, 15-minute fair value up, flip, long, bang. So that's, I mean, if you don't look at NQ, that's like my A plus for continuations. So what happened if you look NQ? I mean, we almost took everything in here, but we still have this early fair value up, the 30 minutes, and I mean, it's fucking clear that ES has this low resistance liquidity. We are probably going to drag NQ to the first swing high in here. So I mean, I took this trade on NQ because ES was about to rip to those highs. As you can see, we ended up even running higher and grabbing all the higher time frame low resistance liquidity. So my trade is based on ES, but I took it on NQ because I prefer NQ to take my trade. So we had that. So we had that 50-minute fair value up. We got that internal SMT. As you can see, you got the 30 seconds. We made that SMT here. So we made that SMT. We flip, inverse the higher time frame fair value gap in the leg, being this 3-minute perfect V shape. So I set my limit order at top. My stops something like that. So this is the trade I took, and let's talk about my position management. So okay, if you go here, my thoughts behind the trade are like at 11:13. Okay, 11:13 we got this rejection candle from nowhere. So I could have set my break even in here if you panic. As you can see, we ended up creating even another equal highs. So I mean, I knew this was a round close candle to next open hold again in the PR race are protecting us. So as you can see, it ended up happening. We next candle open, ES push again higher, and then we grab almost everything in 11:17, which is this here. So I set my break even here because ES grabbed all these swing highs on NQ. So I set my break even there, and now I want to see ES drag NQ1 try to get past this high. That is what ended up happening. So that's the trade I took today. It's based on ES, but I mean, it was fucking clear for me. We had the 50-minute, we had the SMT, we had the V-shaped recovery, we have the sensitivity in here. ES has a lot of engineered liquidity to grab. So that's the trade I took, and that's the trading recap for today. See you next week, guys.